Okay. Now we have done multiplication, division, right?
Yes.
sir.
Now what are factors? What do you mean a factor?
Factors. Okay.
Anybody know what is factor and what are multiples?
Factors. Wait. Oh
Yes.
my God. I forgot.
If you know,
Sir,
you tell me. Otherwise, I'll teach you. Don't worry.
wait, let me try to
Sir,
remember.
when a number
एक
divides,
minute. One by one, raise your hand. Only then we'll ask. Rushit, tell me.
the factors are number. When we divide numbers equal, when we divide number, if the number is divisible equally from the multiple, it is a factor.
Very good. Okay.
Sir, can I Ivana say?
No, wait. It is done, right? So one, Ivana, if you want to tell, you have to raise your hand, right? Without that, you will not get the chance.
I did.
Okay.
No,
Chalo.
this hand. I forgot.
Okay. So now, whenever a number is divisible by any other number, okay. So you get what? When you divide any number, it is called as dividend, right? The number which you divide, which is called as dividend. When you divide with some number, which is called a divisor, and what answer you get, which is called as quotient, right? When the remainder is 0, that is called as divisible, right? Can a 14 divisible by 5?
No.
No.
No, because you don't get the remainder is 0, correct? So it is not divisible.
That
But
one.
can 25 divisible by 5?
Yes.
Yes.
Can
Yes.
35 divisible by 5?
Yes.
Yes.
Can 29 divided by 4?
No. No.
अच्छा नो किसके जाने बिना सीधा नो 5 क्या है हाँ can 22 divide by 2?
Yes.
Yes.
Can 24 divided by 6?
Yes.
Yes.
Can 26 divided by 4?
Yes.
Yes, very
No.
good.
No.
Yeah,
No.
right. So the number which is divisible, now I'll give you one example, right? Listen and understand very carefully. Okay. There is no hurry to understand this. Please listen this very carefully what I am telling to tell you. Correct? I am sharing my screen. You will see my screen appearing, right?
So we can't see anything.
आएगा रुक जा आएगा आएगा
Sir, it is never
आएगा
coming.
आने वाला. Okay, can you see this?
No.
Still you can't see.
Now we can.
Yes, now we can see. Now we can see.
ठीक है ठीक है. So now if I divide any number, that is 24 divided by 6, what do you get? What do you get? 26, sorry, 24 divided by
4.
4. What do you get? 6.
4. 6.
And it is divisible, right?
Yes.
So 6 and 4 both are called as a factor of 24. Right? Now 24 can be divided by what numbers? 1 and 24. This is how usually I write the factors, right? It is divisible by 2. Yes. When you divide by 2, you get 12. Is it divisible by 3?
No.
No. 24 is not divisible by 3.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. It is divisible by 3. You get 8.
8.
Is it divisible by 4? Yes.
Yes. 6.
6. Is it divisible by 5?
No.
No. So 6, again you got back on this side. So
Yes.
your all factors are over. Correct?
Yes.
So when you multiply these numbers, you get
24.
24 always, right? So all the numbers, when you multiply, you get 24. They are all called as a factor of 24. Correct? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. Correct? So all these are, when divisible, the quotient and the divisor both are called as a factor of the dividend. क्या है?
Dividend.
Okay. Divisor and quotient both are called as a factor of dividend, provided the remainder is 0. That means it is perfectly divisible. Correct? Now this is very important. I don't want any mischief in this class. I want everybody's full attention. Is it clear?
Understand, but
Very good. Now, when a number divides another number exactly, the divisor is called as a factor, but here quotient is also called as a factor, correct? Now it is divisor and a quotient is called as a factor of dividend. Now we know that 4 divide 12 exactly, the 4 is a factor, but even when you get a quotient as 3, even 3 is a factor, correct? We know that 8 into 9 is 72. In each case, each 8 and 9 both divides 72 exactly. So 8 and 9 is a factor of 72. This is what exactly I was telling you, correct? Now when you just divide this, okay. Now when 1034 is a factor of 11, what do you do check? We have to check the divisibility of, we don't have to do division, right? And that is why I taught you divisibility test, right? You don't have to divide this and you just have to check the divisibility test of 11. Yes, it is divisible. That means it is 11 is a factor. Clear?
Yeah.
Now let's say 15 is not a factor of 103. You have to see. Now it is because it is ending with 9. It will not be divisible by 15. Correct?
Yes.
So 15 is not a factor. You don't have to divide and check. Correct? By the divisibility test, you can directly check. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So that is why. Yes.
Sir, I'm sorry I'm interrupting, पर पहले जो आपने समझाया था सॉल्व एग्जांपल्स की पहले वो मुझे समझ में नहीं आया
कौन सा बेटा?
एक और बार समझा
Okay, chalo. You tell me, is 24 divisible by 8?
Yes.
What you get as the quotient?
3.
Very good. And is 24 divisible by 3?
Yes.
What you get a quotient?
8.
8. So when you divide 24 by 8, you get a 3 the quotient. When you divide by 3, you get a 8 the quotient, right?
Yeah.
Mishka, are you clear? You know what is division? Have you practiced division?
Yes, sir.
So, can a 24 be divided by 8, yes or no?
Yes.
Correct. So what do you get a quotient?
3.
Correct. So 8 and 3 both are called as a factor of 24. Correct. समझ में आया? So if its number is divisible by any other number, that number is called as a factor of the dividend. Correct. You know what is dividend? Yes. You know what are divisor?
Yes.
Very
Yes.
good. So divisor is called as a factor of the dividend. Even the quotient is called as a factor of the dividend. Clear?
Yeah.
Yes, Mishka?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, chalo. Now let me again share. So pay attention here. What I am telling you, it is very easy because we have already done the divisibility test, right? So finding a number is divisible by another number or no, it is very, very easy. Correct? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, can a 5 be a factor of 24?
No. No.
No, because 5 don't divide 24 exactly, right?
Yeah.
And by the divisibility test, you can check because 24 has the end digit as 4 and for 5, you require 5 or 0 as the end place, right? So it is not a factor. Similarly, here 15, what is the divisibility of 15? It should be divisible by 3 and it should be divisible by 5, right? So it is because it is 1309, it is not divisible by 5. So it will not be divisible by 15 as well. Clear?
So,
Yes.
the divisibility test of 15, the last digit has to be 5 or 0, right?
No. Yeah. It has to be 15 will be last digit should be 5 and 0 and it should be also divisible by 3. So what is the divisibility test of 15 is? It should be divisible by 3 and it should be divisible by 5 also. Then only it is divisible, right?
Okay.
For example, we say 40. Okay. Is it divisible by 5? Yes. Is it divisible by 3? No. So it will not be divisible by 15. 15 से नहीं होगा ये, right?
Yes.
But if you take 60, is it divisible by 5? Yes. Is it divisible by 3? Yes. It will be divisible by 15 also. Correct?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes. Question. If they ask like if 4 is a factor of 0, like what it will exactly mean?
Sorry?
What would If they ask is 4 a factor of 0, then what is
Zero does not come into factor, right? They have got written here, but factors and multiples will come for the natural number, counting number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like this, right?
So 0 is not
Zero
included.
is not because you can't divide by 0, right? Can you divide by 0? I told you last time, right?
Yes.
5 divided by 0, you get cannot divide.
Hmm.
समझ में आया? Very good. चलो.
Yes, sir.
Next. Okay, now can you see this? 48. We get 1 into 48, 2 into 24, 3 into 16, 4 into 12, 6 into 8. So all factors of 48 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, and 48, right? There is no requirement that you should write in an order. I am perfectly okay. I usually recommend the way it is written here, right?
Hmm.
I usually recommend that this is way how they've written here, so you don't miss any. You should go always in a order. You should check with 1. 1 is always going to be factor of all the numbers because every number can be divided by 1. Yes or no?
Hmm.
Then you check for 2. Then you check for 3. Then you check for 4. Then you check for 5. It is not divided, don't write. Then you check for 6. Then you check for 7. And the moment you get the same number here, which you multiply here, then you have to stop there, right? Because 6 8s are 48 and you got 8 already. It is written with 6 8s are 48. So you have to stop here. After this, you don't need to move ahead, right? So you write a factor like this: 1, 48, 2, 24, 3, 16, 4, 12, 6, and 8. Correct? You write in this order. So you don't miss any. There is no requirement that you write in a order. Clear? This way you may miss 1 or 2 numbers, but here you will not miss any of them, right? Unless you don't know the table of that particular thing, tab tum wo nahi aayega, right? Correct. Now the properties of factor, listen very carefully. This is very important, right? Every non-zero number has a limited number of factors. What they are saying, non-zero number. Even this gets your answer. Why it is limited? Because you are dividing it. When you divide, you get a lesser number. Suppose you say factor of 1000. It is going to be less than 1000. So it is always going to be countable. Correct? A 1 is a factor of every number because every number can be divided by 1. Correct? Every non-zero number is the largest factor of itself, right? So when you say 100,000, divide by 1000, you get 1 and 1000, right? You cannot divide 2 by 5. Can you divide this? You cannot divide any number with the number larger than that particular number. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that number itself become the largest factor of the number, right?
I did
And
not
1 becomes the
understand what-
smallest factor of the number.
You cannot divide any number which is bigger than the number.
Correct.
Yes,
that
you said
means-
small.
That means 1 is the smallest factor and the number is the biggest factor, right? That is the largest factor of the itself, right?
Hmm.
Now, every non-zero number is a factor of 0, correct? Which is not true, correct? 0 is not counted in the factor. Now, we know that division by 0 is no meaning. So, this is correct. But every number is a factor of 0 is not true. Ideally, as a concept, it is there true that 0 divided by 2, you get 0, right?
Yes.
You get a 0 remainder, but you cannot, there is no point in dividing by 0. And factors and multiples, you don't get 0 as a factor, right? And a concept, you cannot divide by a bigger number or the smaller number, right? So this statement is wrong, correct? Yes. Factors and multiples work only with the 1 and counting number. For every non-zero factor, either it is less or equal to the given number, right? Each factor of the non-zero number will be either less than the number or it will be equal, right? Because you get always less than, because maximum factor is the highest factor is the number itself. So it has to be less than them. Before going to SCF, I am going to give you a multiple, right? We'll go to HCF and LCM later on. We say what is multiple. What are multiples?
So which
Two
page?
numbers are multiplied. What do you get? When two numbers are multiplied, you get
So-
the product. What do you get?
Product.
Now product is
Multiple.
So you're
Sir, you're frozen.
okay.
Sir, you're not frozen.
Sorry, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Sir, you got frozen.
1 minute, beta.
First normal.
Can you see this multiple?
Multiples.
Page number?
Page
Sir,
number
can you
91.
see my screen?
Yes. 91.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
When a number divides another number exactly, then the dividend is called as a multiple. It is exactly reverse, right? So when you say 4 multiplied by 6, what do you get? 24, right? When you get 3 multiplied by 4, what do you get? 12, right? So 4 multiplied by 6 is equal to 24. 3 multiplied by 4, you get 12, right?
Yes.
So the number which is you get in 4 table or 6 table or 7 table or 8 table, they are called as multiple. Like now what is the table of 4? Suppose we take table of 4. So what do you get in 4? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. And what is the number till you get? How many numbers you can get here? How many numbers? How many multiple? These are all called as multiple of 4. क्या है? These are all called as multiple of 4.
Multiples of 4.
Which comes in 4 tables. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, then 20, then 24, then 28. Okay.
32.
So how many multiples are there for any number? How many multiples can be there for any multiple, any number?
125.
125. Why 125?
10.
10. Okay. Can you tell me, is 44 is a multiple of 4? Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. Can I say 400 is a multiple of 4? Yes or no?
Yes.
Can I
Yes.
say 4,000 is a multiple of 4? Yes or no?
Yes.
Can you say
Yes.
40,000 is a multiple?
Yes.
4 million is a multiple?
Yes.
Yes.
Correct. So there is no limit on the multiples. They are infinite because there is nothing called as largest number in mathematics. Correct?
Okay.
So
So
factor
they
are
keep on growing and growing and growing.
right. So factors are
Not a
countable
number. It's a word.
and multiple are infinite, right? Uncountable. Clear hai?
Yes. Factors countable.
Sorry?
What countable again? Oh, factors countable.
Factors are countable because factor you get it by divisor, right? If you say factor of 100, right? So it will be either less or equal to, right?
Yes.
So highest factor is 100. So after this, only you can countable, right? It is a finite number, right?
Hmm.
So factor will be always countable in nature. Clear?
Can Avni go and bring something to it?
Beta, whenever you sit now, you know the timing. You have to sit with all the time. You can't go bring this thing and bring that thing, right? So whenever you have to sit with the whatever you want to eat. Or finish your breakfast before this or do the dinner, lunch first. Is it clear? I told you this is very important. Go and bring something. Now don't everybody wants to attend the class. Either you sit with the snack or you eat first or you eat after the class. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
So in our class, you only told that.
Sorry?
Just get this. But in the normal class, the only thing is just get the snack.
Sorry?
Sir,
Yes,
We
Ivana,
never-
what?
in our class, we never to like have lunch and
What is
all.
your problem, Ivana? You want to learn or you want to just have a comparison of the classes? Huh, Ivana? What is your problem? My class does not have this. Don't attend this class then. I told you I'm taking an important class. Why some nonsense has to be taken in this class? Is it going to add value to your curriculum? Learning? By comparing classes? Huh, Ivana? Focus on learning, not on chit chat. And those who want to question, please raise your hand. Don't start open the mic because I'm allowing everyone. So when you multiply any number, the multiples are infinite and factors are what?
Countable.
Finite. It is countable because the number itself, whichever number it is 2, 10, 20, 30, 40, 100, 10,000, 20,000, still it is countable number, right? And factors are always less than or smaller or equal to the given number. So that is why it is always countable. Yes, Vanya, tell me, Vida.
Sir,
Hmm?
I didn't understood that what you said. It's opposite. Factors are opposite of multiples. I didn't understand.
Yes, very nice question. Very good, beta. Okay. Now I will tell you. Okay. If I ask you one question, okay, what is your mom name?
Vijaya.
Vijaya. If I tell you Vijaya is a mom of Vanya, correct? What is
Yes.
opposite that? Vanya is
Vijaya's mom.
hey, Vijaya's mom. Very good.
Vijaya's daughter.
Very good.
daughter.
Vijaya is mom of Vanya and Vanya is mom of Vijaya. Very nice. Correct?
Sir, when you
Correct. So it is opposite, right? What I say is 4 and 6 are the factors of 24 because 24 divided by 4 and 6 exactly. So similarly, ulta karoge tum, right? So 4 and 6, when you multiply, you get 24. So this 24 becomes the multiple of 4 and 6. So what you say is 4 is a factor of 24 and 24 is a multiple of 4. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
So Vanya is daughter of Vijaya and Vijaya is a mom of Vanya.
Yeah.
Correct? Eh?
Yes, sir.
Understood, everyone? This is how it is opposite, right? Understood? When you reverse it, you get a factor to multiple and multiple to factor. Clear? Eh?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, when you say this, we know that 8 divides exactly. Now, it is division and a multiplication, right? When you say, is 24 divided by 6? Yes. How do you know? 6 के टेबल में 24 आता है, right? When I say, is 8 is a multiple of factor of 32? Yes, because
Yes.
32 के 8 के टेबल में 32 आता है. Now, is a 32 is a multiple of 8? Yes, because 8 के टेबल में 32 आता है again, right? It is the same thing in a reverse order you have to think, right? Correct? Now, factor, because we get factor by dividing. काय करेला? We are getting by dividing. So, it will be either small or equal, correct? Because you cannot divide any number with the bigger number than that number, right? Similarly, multiple you get by multiplying, right? So either it will be bigger or
Sir,
equal to that number. Clear, everybody?
yes, sir, but now for multiply it's just vice versa.
Correct. It is a ulta. That is why I say it is vice versa. Ulta karo, right? You understand?
Oh, yes,
Listen
sir.
very carefully. Multiple you get by multiplying That's why the multiple will be either bigger than the number or it will be either equal. It cannot be smaller. Similarly, dividing, factor you get by dividing, so it can be either smaller or it can be equal. It cannot be more than the number. Is it clear? Now, because it is getting dividing, this is finite in number, which is countable or fixed one. Here multiple is infinite because you don't have anything as a greatest number in the mathematics. So it will keep on going. It is infinite in nature. Clear? Now I'll give you very simple example. If I tell you,
What
tell
is
me,
finite and non-finite?
huh?
What is finite and infinite?
Finite is countable. You can
Okay.
count 5 factors, 7 factors, 12 factors, 15 factors, 12 factors, 10 factors, right? 2 factors. This is count you can do, right? But when you take multiple, you cannot count because it will keep on going. Correct? I'll give you some examples so at least you will know, right? Suppose we take a number 20, correct? So we'll write all the factor of 20 and we'll write multiple of 20. We'll see what exactly you get, right? So factor of 20 will be 1 into 20, 2 into 10, 4 into 5, correct? Yes or no? Any other number can you divide by this 20 apart from this 6? No, right?
No.
Correct. So there are 6 factors of 20. Correct. Now if you take multiple of 20, you get 21s are 20, 22s are 40, 23s are 60, 80, 100, and you can keep on going, say 2000, then you get 20,000, then you get 20 lakhs. Okay, clear? 2 lakhs, 20 lakhs, anything, right? And this will keep on going. So this is, you cannot count. You cannot
2 crores, 10
count,
crores.
right? You cannot count these numbers. Multiples you cannot count, but factors are limited and you can count. Is it clear? You can have 2
Yes,
factors, you can 4 factors, you can 8 factors, you can have 20 factors, you can have 1,000 factors also, right? But still it is countable. Am I clear to everyone? Now here if you say all the factors are either less than 20 because this is the highest number, this is the biggest number in factor and this is a smallest number and all the other numbers are bigger than 20, correct? Is it clear everyone?
Correct, sir.
Understood? Chalo.
Yes,
Now
yes,
I am
ma'am.
going to send you some numbers or some screenshot which I'll show you here.
Okay.
Okay.
WhatsApp only, right?
1 minute. Let me share you the screenshot and then I'll take it in the class. Correct?
Wait, you mean in the WhatsApp you are showing?
Yes, I'll show you, beta. Wait. I'll show you this. Don't worry. Okay. When I say it does not mean that I'll open it, right? Okay.
But
Let me send it first and then I'll show you. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So wait for a minute. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show some factors. Okay, before that, you tell me if I tell you to find the factor of 30. Can anybody find the factor of 30? Who will work out? Chalo.
3.
No, who will? No, first, who will tell me? Okay, raise your hand. Okay, Avni. Chalo.
10 and 3.
Beta, I want all the factors. समझ में आया? All factors का
Okay,
मतलब?
1 and 30.
Very good. 1 and 30 go in order. 1 and 30 then?
Then 2 doesn't come.
2 doesn't come.
So it 2 comes. 2 comes.
फिर 2 and 15.
15. Then
Then 3 and
3 and 1 again.
10.
3 and 1, 5 and 5 and this 6. 6 and 5.
हो गया अभी written हो गया, right? So it is end of it, right?
But
Correct?
sir, there's one more.
कौन सा?
10 and
10
13.
and 3 आ गया ना, combination आ गया, right?
Okay.
So when I say that this number reaches this number, that means it is end of the factor finding, correct? You got this or no? Okay, chalo, one more. Okay. Who wants to try? Kiska hand raise hai? Vivan, merchant. Very nice. Vivan, tell me factor of 40.
1,
1.
40,
Very good.
2, 20,
Very good.
3,
3 आता है?
9, no, नहीं आता,
तो क्या आता है फिर? आगे चलो.
4,
4.
10,
Then
5,
5. 5 में क्या आएगा?
C.
Sir, कैसे?
No. विवान,
yes sir,
5 के टेबल में 40 आता है?
हाँ,
बता कहाँ आता है?
So easy.
हाँ?
5 8 40,
सॉरी?
5 8 40, 8, sir 8,
So he's saying 8. So
8.
yeah, close.
वेरी गुड, करेक्ट. 6 है?
Hmm.
अरे glitching,
हाँ?
बस, no more, बस,
क्या बोला बेटा?
बस,
6 7 नहीं आता, right? And then you
No.
got a 8 again. So this is over, right? Clear?
yes,
चलो, anybody wants to try one more?
So, no.
Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Mishka. Okay, chalo. 32.
So my hand is only raised.
32.
I have a question.
Yes.
I didn't understand how to do this.
Why? You know division, beta?
Yes, I know division, but
Very
I'm
good.
not understanding the numbers, मतलब how to write that.
Very good. Chalo. ठीक है. You do one, you will understand. And you have to pay attention here, right? Chalo. I'll give number 32 for you. Is it divisible by 1? Yes. 1 32 to the 32, right?
Yes.
32 1 the 32. Is it divisible by 2? Is 32 divisible by 2? Yes? So what do you get? When you divide by 32, you get 16, right?
Yes.
Is it divisible by 3? Is it divisible by 3?
Yes, I think.
Yes, is it divisible by 3? 32 is divisible by 3?
No.
No. So it is not a factor, right? Is it divisible by 4?
Yes.
Yes. What do you 4? 8 is the 32, right?
Yes.
Is it divisible by 5?
No.
It is divisible test you have not done. Mishka, it is why this is why you are taking time.
No.
It is not divisible by 5. Is it divisible by 6? No, it is not divisible by 3, so it is not divisible by 6 also. Is it divisible by 7? No, it is not divisible by 7. Is it divisible by 8? We already taken 8, right? So it is end of it,
Yeah.
right? I hope it is clear now. Clear everyone?
So can I do one?
बेटा अभी बहुत सारा दिया है बेटा, बहुत सारा आएगा फैक्टर निकालने के लिए, डोंट वरी. ठीक है? Have you understood?
No.
Have you understood? Yes or no?
yes,
Right. So I'm just showing you here. See, and I'm going to send one document to you. I want you to write this, read this, and write possibly, right? Because it's a very, very, very important document. By next class, I want everybody to read this document, which is called as generation document, which is very important, very, very important, right? So if you don't understand this, you tell me, sir, I have a problem in understanding, I'll tell you what to do. Clear?
So, Rasya has one question.
Yes, Bira, Bolo, tell me.
So, finite means that you can count it, right?
Yes, count. Finite is you can count.
Okay.
Finite means you can count it, right? Okay.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Yes. Now we have a देखो. I'll just show you. Factors, a number divided perfectly with, this is already we have done, correct? With remainder 0, I have done factor of 20, which I have given. Factor is always less than equal to, finite is always finite, correct? Now multiples, when two natural number, which is countable number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, are multiplied with the product. You know what is product, right? Last time I told you product
The
difference in sum,
answer
right?
of 2 multiplication.
Yes, it's the answer of the two multiplication. Any multiple, not two. Any multiplication, it is called as product. It's called as a multiple of two numbers, right?
Yes.
20 multiple क्या है? 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. And this dot 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 means it is going to endless, right? Unless if I write a number after this, it is called as endless number, right? There is something in between also. The multiple always greater than or equal to the number, multiple always finite. This is written in the document also, which I am going to share with you, right?
Sir, can we write this in our notebook?
No, I have already given ना बेटा मैंने document भेजा है. You can always write that, right? First understand writing, you can do it later on and you should write. It is not you can do, you have to write, right? Now factor tree, right? Tree method, I told you this. 69, I told you how to divide this and number of factors, correct? Now when you see this 81, can you see the 81 has only 5 factors? Why? Because 9 is repeating. When there is a repeating number, which is a perfect square, which is called a square number. Square number is what number? When you multiply the number itself, the product what you got, it is called a square number. Because 9 is counted only one time, it is got an odd factor. Else we'll get a even factor. I told you how to divide this and check what is the number. And then you have to divide and check. To get the factor, you have to actually do the division, right? But if you do certain oral mathematics, you will not be able to do the division, right? But still, if you are weak with the tables, then you have to do division and check. It will take a lot of time. And that is why I always insist you should know all the tables mentally. At least one digit table you should know, right? After this, mat karo chalega. मतलब वो धीरे धीरे जितना ज्यादा कर सकते हो orally, which is better. All the numbers have an even count of factors except the perfect square number, which is perfect square. In above 81 is a perfect square. When 9 into 9 into, while the counting the factors, only one 9 is counted, right? Because both 9 count का जरूरत नहीं है, right? So now what is the perfect square number? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. When you multiply a number by itself, what you get a perfect square number. Clear? Yes. Chalo. Now, I hope everybody understand what is the multiple and factors. Yes, I give another example with the different numbers which we have solved in the class. Similar one, right? So you can take any number and you can check. Now, the another concept called is prime numbers. Okay. Anybody is aware what is the prime number? Or anybody can tell me what is the prime number? No?
No.
Very
Sir,
good.
My uncle is great. I know it. Avni knows it.
Very good, Avni. Tell me what is prime number?
Prime numbers are numbers that don't have more than 2 factors. They do not have more than 2 factors.
Okay. Very good. Correct. Now, it is not more than 2 factors. It is called as every number which has exactly only 2 factors, right? Exactly 2 factors, which are called as prime numbers. Now, let's check whether you can find the prime number or not, right? Can you tell me 1 is a prime number, yes or no?
Yes.
1 is a prime number.
No, sorry.
Why no?
1 is never counted in anything.
Why can't count it?
Because
Reason
1
batao.
doesn't come in none of the tables. It only comes
Yeah,
in
it comes in
itself.
one table, right?
But nobody
But
counts
it has only one factor. क्या है?
Only one factor.
It is only one factor. So you cannot come in the prime number, right? Then I'll tell you what is composite number. First understand. First let's check. Okay. 2 is a prime number.
Yes.
Yes.
Because
Yes,
it has
sir.
only one factor, which is two factors, which is 1 and 2. Correct? Is 3 the prime number?
Yes.
Yes, because it has only two factors, 1 and 3. 4 is the prime number?
Nope.
No.
Yeah.
Why? Because it is 1, 2, and 4 is the prime number. 5 is the prime number?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Yes, 1 and 5, right? Is 6 is the prime number?
Nope.
No, because it is
2 and
1,
3.
2, 3, and 6. So it is not a prime number, right? Now you see, do you agree all the even number will be divisible apart from 1 and itself? It will be divisible by 2 always? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Correct?
Because 2 is the only prime number.
नहीं, गलत जवाब. एक word missing है. 2 is the only even prime number. 2 is not the only prime number. 2 is the
2 is
only
the
even
only
prime
even
number.
prime number.
Correct? 2 is the only even prime number, right? Rest all even number will be always divisible by 2, so they cannot be a prime number, right? Similarly, do you agree any number ending with 5 except the 5 will always divisible by 5, yes or no?
Yes.
Correct? That means 5 is the only number which is ending with 5 is a prime number. After that, 15, 25, 115, 135, 175, 100, 2025, no number will be a prime number, right? Correct? So then what is left with this? You are left with one number ending with 1, 3, 7 और 9. Correct है? इतने ही नंबर प्राइम नंबर हो सकते हैं if it is 2-digit number, right? Now here what you have 2, 3, 5 and 7 are the prime numbers. After that we see 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. All these are prime numbers, but it will always end with either 1, 3, 7 or 9. Then you have 31, you have 37, you have 41, 43, 47. See, all are ending with this number, right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure? Now, what is your assignment? Correct? Now, those who are not a prime number or which has a more than two factors, which are called as composite number. क्या कर सकते हैं? It is called as
Composite.
composite number, which has more than two factors. Now, that is why one has only one factor. It is not counted as a prime number or a composite number because it does not have a two factors. It does not have more than two factors. It is only one factor. Is it clear, everyone? So one is neither a prime nor a composite, and then prime numbers are there which has only and only two factors. Correct?
Yes.
Right? And composite number
Yes, sir.
which are has more than yes.
Sir, I did not understood.
Who beta what?
Sir, but I did not understood prime numbers.
Prime numbers. Very good. चलो तो मेरे को ये
So
बताओ.
even Rasta didn't understand.
Very good. चलो मेरे को ये बताओ. Wait a minute. I'll give you some examples of prime numbers. Correct? चलो. When I say 7, 9, 11, 15, 19, 21, right? So tell me which are the number which are prime numbers from this and which are not. Chalo, I'll write again. Okay, I'll write the numbers. 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 19, 21. Okay. Or 27. Okay. Tell me which are the prime numbers. Is 7 comes in any other table than 7?
One stable.
One stable, right? 1 and 7, right?
One
Yeah.
stable.
1 and 7, right?
Yes.
And you have to check just below that, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Any table it comes 7? No. So
No.
this is a prime number, right? 9 comes in which table? 1 table, 9 table, and 3 table. Correct? 3 3 is 9.
Yes.
So this is not a prime number. 11.
One table. Yes. 11 table.
So this is a prime number.
Yes.
13.
Prime.
Yeah, prime.
15, 1,
1,
5 and 3 and 5.
19,
Composite. Prime.
prime
One
number,
and
right? Okay, 21,
Composite.
1,
1,
21, 3, 7, right? So this is auto prime. 27,
27 comes in
1,
1.
27,
27.
9.
9.
Correct? So this is also not a prime number. You got it?
Yes.
Understood? So which comes only in its table, or it has exactly two factors which does not, the number cannot be divided by any other number than one and number itself. That is called as prime number. Is it clear now, Vanya or Vidhi?
Yes, sir.
Everybody is clear now?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes,
So number which cannot be divided, now the challenge comes कि सर हमको कैसे समझ में आएगा कि कौन सा नंबर, राइट? बिकॉज यू नीड टू लर्न द प्राइम नंबर till 100. इधर
Mama. Sir, how will you do that?
वेरी गुड,
Sir has tricks.
वेरी गुड. तो तुमको क्या करना पड़ेगा? यू नीड टू यूज द डिविजिबिलिटी
Test.
right? And one trick I already gave you, right? You have to check from 11 to 100. You have to check only odd numbers for that, because even number cannot be a divisible prime number, right? Except 2. Correct? Hai?
Correct.
Very good. And for odd number also, you don't have to check ending with 5. So what you are left with? Every 10, you have left with only 11, 13, 17, 19, 21, 23, 27, 29, 31, 33, 37, and 39, and so on, right? So for every 10, you have to check only 4 numbers. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. Now, we have seen these all 4 are prime numbers, right? Now 21, we have seen it is not, because it is divisible by 3. Now we have to check the divisibility of 3, 5. 5 तो जरूरत नहीं, 3 है, 7 है, 9 है, और you have to divide because it is only 100 number, right? It is
Yes.
only 100 numbers, so you don't have to go very beyond any big numbers, right? Table of 1 to 10 or 11 or 12 or 15 or 20 will be sufficient for you to do it, right? Is it clear?
Yes.
Very nice. Okay, so 21 can't, 23 you cannot divide. Now the trick is that you have to check any number is divisible or not divisible. How will you check? Correct? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Very good. So can you check any number which is suppose 23, which is the perfect square 23? I gave you the perfect square just now here, right? What is the square number? I just gave you the square number, right?
Yes.
These are the square numbers. Either gaya.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are the square numbers. 1,
Yes.
or you can easily remember 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64. All these tables you know, right?
Yeah.
Correct. So you have to check the number. I'll give you a simple another trick, right? Okay, suppose if I say 23. Okay, you give me any odd number which is ending with 1, 3, 7 or 9. Chalo. Any number you give me. 2-digit number.
So, me.
Sorry?
Mishika, please.
Tell me the number.
39.
Sorry?
9.
39, right?
Yes.
So 39, can you check the division? Okay, which is the perfect square just before this or just after this? It is 36 is a perfect square and 49 is a perfect square, right?
Yes.
So if you check the divisibility of till 6 or till 7, it is more than sufficient, right?
Yeah.
You don't have to go beyond that,
Okay.
correct?
Okay.
Now you see, is it divisible by 2? No. Is it divisible by 3? Yes. Khatam. एक division आ गया, matter ends there, right?
Okay.
Correct? Chalo, give me one more example. Give me one more number.
47.
47. Very good. किसे दिया?
Mishika.
Very good. 47, right?
Yeah.
47, which is the perfect square coming here? Again 36 and 49, correct?
Yeah.
So maximum you have to give till 7. Okay. Is it divisible by 2? No. Is it divisible by 3? No. Is it divisible by 5? No. And you have to check only prime numbers, correct? You don't have to check any other number. Is it divisible by 7? No. 7 7 is 49. 7 6 is 42. So it is a prime number. Clear?
Okay.
समझ में आ गया?
हाँ.
Easy है trick?
हाँ.
है ना?
हाँ.
So you may have to check only till 11 or 13. That's it. उसके आगे तुमको जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगा. Correct है?
Correct.
And that is why you have to be very, very, very strong with the tables and the divisibility test. है ना? I have given here all the markings. Okay. So you can check whether it is divisible or not. Correct?
Okay.
So this you have to remember. There are 25 prime numbers. कितना है?
25.
Okay. And I will give you time in next class or maybe next class. You have to tell me the divisible, all the prime numbers from 1 to 100 in how many time? What time? You
1
will...
minute.
Huh?
1 minute.
कितना?
1 minute.
30 seconds.
No, sir.
Yes.
Sir had said it. Sir once had said it so fast. All numbers.
ठीक है, चलो clear. So सबको ये fast करना है, right? So now you have to first understand, learn whether you write, ask somebody to take your oral, whether you want to stand inside a mirror and read. But by next class, all the 25 prime numbers has to be given. Now anybody wants to keep a timer? I'll speak out.
अवनी
I don't have any. Mishika.
Very good. कोई
अवनी
भी
ने
एक
खोला.
जन.
अवनी ने
Anybody
खोला.
want?
अवनी ने खोला.
Any, very good. चलो timers, तू बोलो 1 2 and nobody will speak in between when I'm talking and everybody should pay attention. Vivan, keep your mic and video on.
Sir 2 minutes wait.
तेरे को आना है बेटा विवान मेरे घर पे? हाँ?
स्टॉप वॉच लगाओ के टाइमर
Okay, sir.
लगाओ.
चलेगा.
तो टाइमर क्या?
टाइमर में क्या होता है? टाइमर में टाइम मेजर करते हो, राइट?
Yes.
और स्टॉप वॉच में क्या होता है?
यू काउंट.
मैक्सिमम टाइम लगा दे तो बंद हो जाता है, राइट? वो
हाँ.
क्या?
Sir 30 seconds का लगाना है ना?
नहीं, 30 सेकंड नहीं,
तो
स्टॉप वॉच लगाओ. स्टॉप वॉच तुम जब भी चाहो
Stopwatch.
तुमको स्टॉप कर सकते हो, राइट?
ठीक है.
करेक्ट. चलो
लगाया. Ready?
everybody, you will just say one. When you start, before that you say 1 2 3 go. Correct, Avni?
Okay, yes sir.
Now nobody will speak anything between this time whenever I'm talking. Everybody should pay attention.
Sir
Okay,
say
I am
done when
keeping-
you are done, na? Sir
one
say
minute.
done.
I am keeping this open for you and I am not reading. What I am doing, I am closing my eyes, right? मैं अभी ये चश्मा निकाल देता हूँ, ठीक है? So मेरे को ऐसे भी कुछ नहीं दिखेगा, right? Correct? And I am keeping this on my.
Sir say done, na?
Sir,
no, no,
no. Sir, do one thing. Look up at the ceiling and put it on top of your face, the cloth.
Very good. चलो, now it is clear.
And put the
Yes,
cloth
sir.
on your face.
Sir say done when you are done.
चलो, okay. Avni, start.
1 2 3 start.
Avni,
हाँ sir.
stop watch को अड्डे 0 कर and then till 1 2 3 start loudly.
हाँ 1 2 3 start.
Okay. 2 3 5 7 11 13 17 19 23 29 31 37 41 43 47 53 59 61 67 71 73 79 83 89 97. Done.
15 seconds.
15 second, right?
15.17.
Very good. तो 15 second. तो मैं तुमको डबल टाइम दे रहा हूँ, right? चलो, I am giving you 1 minute to do it, which is okay now.
Sir,
4 times the
basically you
time,
got
right?
Sir, basically if you round that up, you got 15 minutes seconds only.
बेटा, Ivana, is this what Ivan rounding वाला कौन है?
Avni.
Who is अवनी बेटा पूछा तेरे को राउंडिंग करने का नहीं करने का है, 16 सेकंड ले लो, बराबर है, चलेगा? हैप्पी? What is important is what exactly time you are getting. It is not important. What is time is, it is coming in 15 to 16 seconds. You have to complete in 1 minute. Is it clear?
And it should be correct.
Obviously, it has to be correct. When somebody will speak, okay, everybody has to pay attention very closely. They have to sit with a note and number. I will not keep anything open. You should not be open, and you have to see what is missing by whom. Is it clear?
Yes.
Understand?
Hmm.
Next time, whoever is ready, I'll ask them, you tell me, and everybody has to be ready. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Vidhi, now I showed you the trick, right?
Yes.
Trick मैंने बता दिया तुमको कैसे करने का. Only thing is you have to remember this now, right? Vidhi, what is your doubt?
Sir, no doubt now.
वेरी गुड. तो हाथ नीचे करने डार्लिंग, थक जाएगी बेटा हाथ ऊपर कर करके, हैं? ठीक है.
सर मैं तो नहीं थकूंगी, कंप्यूटर थकेगा.
हाँ, कंप्यूटर थकता नहीं, मशीन है, वो थोड़ी आदमी है.
सर
ठीक है, चलो.
सर
ओके, इज इट क्लियर?
सर
यस.
सर विधि मैम.
हाँ बोलिए मैम, आपका डाउट है, बोलिए.
यस सर. सर विधि का एक कंप्लेन करना है सर, कर सकती हूँ अभी या बाद में कर सकते हैं?
नहीं बोलो ना, अरे कंप्लेन करने के लिए कंप्लेन करने के नहीं, आप सैटरडे सुबह 7 बजे मेरे घर पे छोड़ जाओ उसको, काम खत्म. जो भी
सर
कंप्लेन है.
उसको ना, सर अभी आज आपने जो सिखाया ना सर,
हाँ
वो सब उसके ऊपर से गया है. उसने लास्ट टाइम भी जो 11 का जो आपने सिखाया था ना,
हाँ,
उसको वापस मुझे 1 घंटा लगा एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए.
तो उसको
और
पूछो
सर
डाउट.
आप उसके ना सर जरूर एक बार आप उसको एग्जाम्पल देकर पूछिएगा कि क्या है, क्योंकि
मैं
सर वो
सबको
हाँ हाँ
पूछता हूँ.
करती रहती है.
लास्ट टाइम तो मैंने आई हैव टेकन 2.5 hours का क्लास. लास्ट क्लास वाज 2.5
यस
hour
सर.
क्लास.
यस सर. और
And
उसके
I
बाद
ask
भी सर.
everyone, I have asked everyone whether they have
यस सर.
understood to not understood. And I
यस सर.
ask everyone, जिसको जिसको समझ में आया उसको मैंने छोड़ा. I have set for 2.5 hours for the class.
यस सर. सर आज आपने जो सिखाया ना सर, एक बार विधि से क्वेश्चन पूछिए सर उसको. वो सर हाँ में जाती है सर, उसको समझ ही नहीं आता.
चलो, very good. Okay, चलो विधि, tell me the factors of 42.
42. 6 7s are.
पहले क्या करना बेटा, मैंने कैसे चालू करने के लिए बोला था?
Oh, sorry.
What I told you how to start.
First,
You have to start
one.
always with 1, right?
Yeah.
You have to start always with 1. Now this is
Yes.
what mom says is clear, right? You are not paying attention.
I am paying.
नहीं मैम, आप नेक्स्ट टाइम उसको पढ़ाना बंद कर दो, राइट? लेट हर
यस
पुट इट
सर.
आउट. नहीं आता है, फेल होता है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. स्टॉप टीचिंग हिम, टीचिंग हर. उसको कंफर्टेबल है, मेरे को नहीं समझ में आएगा, मम्मी सिखा देगी बाद में 1 घंटा लगा के. एंड देयर इज नोबडी हु इज अटेंडिंग द क्लास एक्सेप्ट यू, राइट? क्योंकि उसको मालूम है मम्मी है, मेरे को कुछ ध्यान देने की जरूरत नहीं, मम्मी आराम से सिखा देगी मेरे को. एंड दिस इज 3 times I told you always you should start 1, and this is she is not starting from 1. And it is not that everybody is not asking, right? Mishka ने कितना क्वेश्चन पूछा, रशिया वाज
यस
आस्किंग
सर.
क्वेश्चन, इवाना वाज आस्किंग क्वेश्चन, अवनी ने आंसर पूछा, क्वेश्चन पूछा, ऋषित ने पूछा. Everybody is asking question, right? Those who are not understanding, and multiple they are asking question. I am not telling they don't ask question, right? I
यस
get
सर.
angry when they ask foolish question with sir ये ऐसा होगा, मेरे क्लास में ऐसा होता है, ये ऐसा होता है, सर राउंडिंग नंबर होता है. Then I get angry because that is not the objective. चलो विधि, tell me 42.
142.
1 and 42. Next.
221.
Very good. Then
3.
is it divisible by 3?
No.
नहीं.
Divisible है ना?
Wait, sir.
No, you don't have to divide. You
Yes.
don't have to divisibility test, right?
It is divisible.
Why? How do you know it is divisible by 3? How do you know it is divisible by 3? What is the divisibility test of 3?
We have to add it and
Very good. So when you add, what you get?
4 plus 2, 6.
So 6 is divisible by 3, right?
Yes.
So it is also divisible. It will get a 14, right?
14.
Then 4.
4. No,
Why? What I told you about
because
4?
4 tens is 40
40
and
minus करोगे तो यहाँ पे 2
11
आएगा, right?
can.
2 आएगा तो it is not divisible. 5, obviously not. 6,
Yes, 6 है था.
7 से आ गया, ये तुम्हारे फैक्टर आ गए. समझ में आ गया?
Yeah.
Clear? Now, whenever I ask you certain things, you should be very, very firm to answer this question. Why divisibility? What you are checking? When I say 3 से divisible है, जोर से बोला नहीं divisible है, फटाक से बोल दिया, right?
Yeah.
है ना? मैंने जोर से
Yeah.
क्यों पूछा कि 3 से divisible है? बोला नहीं, जबकि divisible है.
Yeah, it is.
So you should check the divisibility first while solving this. Think and then give the answer. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Very
Now.
good. Now something called as prime factor. What do you mean prime factor? Every composite number, listen very carefully. Every composite number is which has more than 2 factors. Every composite number can be represented as product of prime numbers, correct? Okay.
Yes.
Give me any number and I'll tell you what is prime number and prime factorization.
So can I say a number?
कौन?
Mishika.
नहीं, तेरा नहीं, तू बहुत नंबर दे चुके. रशिया, tell me.
Sir, I wanted to ask if I could go to the washroom.
Sorry?
I wanted to ask if I could go to the washroom.
Yeah, you can go, beta. Chalo. Any number? Anybody wants
Sir,
to?
64.
64. Very good. और एक नंबर बताओ.
72.
72. बस हो गया. चलो. Now what I do is, what do we do prime factor, right? We'll write a table like this, right? We'll write 64 here and then we'll write 72 here, correct? ठीक है? Is it clear? So now 64 is, whenever you want to say, start with always with the lowest prime number, correct?
Also?
Start with the lowest prime number, correct?
Yes.
Is this 64 divisible by 2?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, very good. So what do you do? 2 divide, you get 64 divided by 2, you get 32.
32.
Very
Yes.
good. Again 32 divided by 2, yes? You
Yes.
get 16. Again 16 divided by 2, yes?
Yes.
You get
8.
8. Again divided by 2.
4.
Again divide by 2.
2.
Again divide by 2. Done?
Sir, do you mean that until the
You
number?
get 1. Until you get 1, you have to keep on dividing it, right?
No, sir, I have a different question.
Bolo.
Until the prime number is not divisible by the original number, you will not go to the next prime number.
Yes, absolutely. Till the time you are dividing by 2. That is why I asked you 2 numbers, right?
Yes.
Correct? So now 64 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, right? How many times, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure that you write the correct times the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 64, the factors can be 64 का factor क्या होगा? 1, 64, 2, 32, 3 नहीं है, 4, 16, 5 नहीं है, 6 नहीं है, 7 नहीं है, 8, 8, right? So these are called as factors of 64, right? And this is called as prime factors, right? Now if I say write, listen very carefully what I'm saying. There is a change, listen very carefully. Represent a number as a product of prime factors. क्या है?
Prime factors.
Very good. No. Represent the number as the product of prime factors. You have to write this is the product of prime factors. Okay. And I say, which are the prime factors of 64? What do you get? You get prime factor as only 2. Clear?
Yes.
Prime factor is only 2 because 2 is the only prime factor of 64. Now I do 72. Is it divisible by 2? Yes. Correct? When you divide by 2, what do you get? 36. Divide by 2, 18. Divide by 2, 9.
Right.
Divide by 2, you cannot divide. Now you
Three.
go to 3. 3 divided by 3 and 1. Correct?
Yeah.
So what is the prime factors of product of prime factors 72 ka? I'll just write here 72. 1, 72, 2, 36, 3, 24,
24.
4, 18, 5 नहीं है 6, 12, 7 नहीं है 8 and 9. Correct? So these are the factors of 72. And what is the prime product of prime factors of 72? Is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Correct?
Yes.
And what is the prime factor of 72? It is 2 and 3. Clear?
Avni not understanding.
Who is not understanding?
Avni.
Avni. Which one are you not understanding, beta?
Not understanding.
Huh?
Sir, Meshika is also not
No, ठीक है.
Sir,
Avni?
is also not understanding.
Arey, no problem. Avni, tell me what are you not understanding? I'll ask everyone.
How do you do it exactly?
Sorry?
How do you do it?
How do you do it? What? Prime factor?
Huh?
Okay, give me any one number.
72.
72 आ गया ना बेटा और कुछ बता.
89.
83.
83 is a prime number. 89 is also
89.
prime number.
88.
88. Correct? I'll just write 88 and you'll see the factor of 88. Correct? Okay. Is it divisible by 2?
Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
So when you divide by 2, what you get? 88 divided by 2?
44.
So you get 44 here. Is 44 divided by 2?
Yes. Yes. 22. 22.
Is 20 divided by 2?
Yes. Yes. 11. 11.
Is,
me, sir. No.
is it divisible by 2? No. Is it divisible by 3?
No.
Is it divisible by 5?
No.
Is it
No.
divisible by 7?
No.
So all prime number are over. So because 11 is a prime number, you will get 11. Right? Yes.
I went to washroom. What did you explain?
I'm just doing this prime factorization, beta.
Okay.
I'm just doing one more, right? So you get again. So what is the product of prime factors for 88, right? So what do you write? When you multiply 2 into 2 into 2 into 11, you get 88, right? Try multiplying this. 2 to the
4.
4 to the
8.
8 into 11.
88.
आ गया ना? ठीक है. And what I say when I say what are the prime factors of 88, which is 2 and 11. क्या है?
20.
And 11. You don't have to repeat here. These are called as prime factors of 11, which comes more than once. It is still refer as 1 because this is, I don't have to product is, right? I have to just count how many prime numbers are there for the factor of 88. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
This is called as prime factorization, right? This is called as representing number as a product of prime factors. And this is called as a prime factor of 88. Is it clear? There are 3 things. Okay. Now I'll give you one number. Clear? Chalo.
Sir,
Yes?
I didn't understand the prime.
Who I?
Vanya.
Vanya. ठीक है, चलो. I'll explain one more.
I didn't
Okay.
understand the
I'll give you another number. Don't worry. I'll give you another number. 120. I'll take a bigger number, right? Now, Vanya,
Yes, sir.
can you divide this?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So please divide this. You divide by what? 120 you divide by what? You have to take the lowest prime number, right?
Yes, sir.
Which is the lowest prime number? कोई बीच में नहीं बोलेगा. Only Vanya. And everybody pay attention. Vanya?
Number is 2.
Huh?
Lowest prime number is 2.
Is it divisible by 2? 120?
Yes, sir.
120 is divisible by 2.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Loudly. क्यों? Why it is divisible by 2?
Because in two stable.
कहाँ 2 टेबल का? 2 का 120 का टेबल बोलेगा. What is the divisibility test of 2?
Last digit should be even number.
Very good. So 0 आ रहा है ना, तो इसके लिए divisible है, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
divide by 2. When you divide by 2, what do you get? 60. I hope you know how to divide this, right?
Yes.
Very good. Now 60. It is divisible by 2.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes. So 2. You get what? 30.
Yes.
30 divided by 2.
Yes.
Is it divisible by 2?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So what do you get? 15.
15. Yes.
15 divided by 2.
No.
No, right?
Sir.
So is it next? Go to next this thing, right?
3.
क्या 3 से होएगा?
No, sir.
3 से नहीं होएगा 15.
होएगा.
बीच में मत बोलो कोई. I want only one year to answer. If you understand, it is very good. Don't interrupt in between. Is it clear? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
If you have doubt, I'll sit for 1 more hour. I'll solve everybody's doubt. But nobody will speak in between. Everybody has a listening ear. Chalo, Vanya.
Sir, it will not happen by 15.
It is not happened by 2. So can you go to 3?
Yes, sir.
Is it divisible by 3?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Because in 3 stable 6.
Sorry?
In 3 stable 6 comes.
Suppose if I ask you very big number, how will you check the divisibility of 3? What is the divisibility of the 3?
To add all the numbers and check.
So it is add 1 plus 5, 6, right?
Yes.
So it is divisible, right?
Yes,
Always have a habit of checking with the divisibility test, right? So 15 divided by, this will be 5, right?
sir.
You get 5 and 1. 5 is the prime number, correct?
Yes, sir.
So what is product of 30? Prime product of 30 will be what? Sorry, 120 will be what? Write all these number. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
When you multiply all these number, you will get 120. Correct? It is called as a product, prime product of the number 120. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. If I ask you, what is the prime factors of 120? तो क्या होगा? Which is the only prime numbers you have to write only once? 2, 3 and 5. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Everybody is clear now?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So the other thing, this is called as prime factorization. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Prime factorization. Correct? This is called as product of prime number to get the number. So you have to add all the numbers, how many times it is repeating that. And this is called as prime factors of 120, which is only ones you have to repeat, 2, 3 and 5. Unique one. Is it clear, everyone?
Yeah.
Correct? And this is very, very, very important because when you do the LCM, SCF, this will be very, very, very useful. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now let's see what you need to do it here. Let's check the exercise numbers, right? Factors and multiples, SCF, LCM, just keep this. Okay. What is that? Answer the following question. 7 is a factor of 63. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, right? So very simple. You have to check whether it is factor and you have to check with the divisibility test. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा?
Yes.
Yes.
Right? चलो next.
No.
Yes.
Yes, yes, sorry, yes.
Yes.
ध्यान से, बहुत घाई नहीं चाहिए, right?
No.
No.
Wait. Why no?
Because the 9 table 91 does not comes.
9. I want a divisibility test.
Because 9 plus 1 is 10 and 10 is
Very
not
good.
the
10
same.
does not come into 9 table. समझ में आया?
Yes.
Yes.
I can ask you any big number also, right?
Yeah.
Very good. Next.
Yes. No. Yes. 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 Yes.
Yes, 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 no, yes, no, yes, no. क्या yes, no?
Yes.
Yes है.
Yes.
No. Yes.
अच्छा, how many are saying yes and how many saying no?
Sir, yes.
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 Last one is.
Yes.
Last one is.
Yes. 8 to the 16.
Very good.
Yes.
Everybody says yes.
Yes.
Very,
8 to the 16.
very nice, बेटा. Very nice. 8 to the 16. क्या पूछा उसने?
Sir, did this
अच्छा, वन्या,
Yes, sir.
विद्या. Sorry, what is your mom name? Sorry, I forgot.
Vijaya.
Vijaya. Vijaya is your daughter?
No.
नहीं. So मैंने factor के लिए क्या बोला था? Is 16 the factor of 8? Factor has to be always less or equal, correct?
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया? तो 16 is not the factor of 8. तुमको चेक करना है टेबल किसका बोलना है. समझ में आया? 16 टेबल में 8 आता है क्या?
No.
ये कॉमन सेंस है. फैक्टर हैज टू बी ऑलवेज लेस और इक्वल एंड मल्टीपल ऑलवेज ग्रेटर. और इफ आई से 8 इज द मल्टीपल ऑफ 16, is 8 a multiple of 16?
Yes.
Very good. 8
No,
16 के टेबल में 8
8 is
कैसे
the
आता है?
factor of
Multiple has to be always more, right?
the factor.
वेरी गुड. इट इज अ फैक्टर नॉट अ मल्टीपल. तो ध्यान से थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगा के काम करो. समझ में आया?
Yes.
डोंट ब्लाइंडली डू व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू डू इट, राइट?
Yes.
समझ में आया क्या?
Yes, sir.
करेक्ट. सो यस नो भगवान ने मुंह दिया, बोलो मत. सोचो क्या बोल रहे हो, राइट? चलो नेक्स्ट. इज 5 द फैक्टर ऑफ 0?
Yes.
अब 0 के लिए ना तुमको एक्चुअली लेना नहीं है. सी आइडियली आई विल टेल यू.
Use the restroom.
हाँ या बेटा, 0 के लिए इट इज नॉट एक्चुअली कमिंग एज अ फैक्टर. आई विल शो यू नेक्स्ट टाइम कि कैसे है, राइट? दिस इज सम एरर इन दिस बुक, ठीक है? बट 5 द फैक्टर ऑफ 0, उसमें क्या बोला? एनी नंबर इज अ फैक्टर, इज अ जीरो फैक्टर ऑफ ऑल द. फैक्टर मतलब क्या होता है? डिवाइड करता है, राइट? यहाँ पे उसकी डेफिनेशन के हिसाब से यस आएगा, राइट? एंड 0 इज अ फैक्टर बिकॉज 0 से कुछ डिवाइड नहीं हो सकता, तो यहाँ पे नो आएगा, राइट? करेक्ट. लेकिन इन द फैक्टर इन मल्टीपल, आई विल शो यू नेक्स्ट टाइम, the 0 is not counted. I'll show on this certain good documents will show you this, right? So there is an error here. Okay, it should be always no here, correct? But मैं तुमको दिखाऊंगा, right? Find all the factors of 42. We already done. 56, 64 also we've done. 72 also we've done. So you can do it. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Next time पे मेरे को बताना, right? Find all the factors of 96. This you can do it.
Yes.
It's fatafat, right? And you do the prime factorization, what I showed you, right? Which one? Tree method, right? Do the tree method for solving this. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right?
Oh, you didn't tell me about the tree method.
Tree method, what I was doing. This is a tree what I made, na? Okay, 40, sorry.
Means like
72. 172. 2, ये क्या ट्री बनता है ना? क्रिसमस ट्री नहीं दिखता ऐसा? क्रिसमस ट्री है ना ये?
Oh, yeah. Got it
Right?
now. Oh, got it. Got
2
it.
and 30, 36. Okay, 3 and this. Okay. So
Oh,
check
got
all
it.
this. If
Okay.
need be, do the division, right? I want every factor to be written in the format. Suppose you write 42 का factor लिखो तो क्या लिखोगे? 1, 42, 2, 21, 3, 14, and 6, 7. Write in this order only. I don't want you to write 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 21, and 14, 21. No ordering. I don't want. I want a particular order in this particular format only. Is it clear?
Okay, only. Yes, sir.
I want this order only. 1, 42, 2, 21, 3, 14, 6, 7. Is it clear?
Yes.
So if you write this, I will not accept it. I don't want any ordering to be done. Order has to be done in a pairing, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
If I tell you, okay, call your parents. तो क्या करोगे, किसको बुलाओगे?
Parents.
Mama.
Mama.
वेरी गुड। क्या लिखा है मैंने?
पेरेंट्स को बुलाएंगे।
क्या लिखा है मैंने?
parents.
पेरेंट्स को बुलाएंगे।
पेरेंट्स लगेगा, राइट? तो मम्मी डैडी दोनों लगेंगे, राइट? अगर मैं बोल रहा हूँ ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, तो क्या होगा?
दादू दादी नानू नानी.
वेरी
दादा
गुड,
दादी नाना नानी।
राइट। समझ में आ गया? इफ आई टेल यू कॉल योर सिस्टर्स,
Sir, someone is speaking in the background. I'm not able to
एक
hear
मिनट, कौन
you.
बोल रहा है? किसका आवाज आ रहा है?
अपनी.
प्लीज पेरेंट्स आ जाए। ओके, सिस्टर्स, सो जितनी सिस्टर्स सब आएंगे, राइट? व्हेन आई से ब्रदर, और इफ आई से ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर्स, तो क्या होगा? ब्रदर्स एंड
Sir, I
सिस्टर्स।
was getting my brother because I don't have a
Sorry?
sister. Then we'll only be getting one of ours because sometimes some people don't only get either a brother or
I
sister.
can't hear better. Speak little slower and
Sir,
tell
I
me
have
more
both.
actually. Beta,
So,
it is okay, individual. I am just giving you example. You don't have to start telling me about your family, right? I am just giving you example, so at least you understand very well. You understand? I don't
Sir,
know
can
how
we
many
see each other
sisters or how
now?
many brothers you have.
Sir,
चलो
can we see each other now, please?
चलो ठीक है. Now listen here. Check the by division method whether 6 is a factor or not. They are saying check with the division method, right? So you have to actually divide and show. Is it clear?
Yes.
Very good. Check by the division method whether it is divisible or not, right? Show that 14 is the factor of 1, 2, 4, 6. You have to actually divide and show. 7 is the factor of this. So actually you have to divide, right? So show that 25 is the factor of 255, 245. You have to say yes is a factor or not a factor, right? Here
But
you
it
said
is
it is
show.
not a factor. So you have to say because you will get it is remainder will be there, remainder will not be 0. So you have to actually divide and check. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this is a major division. So next time पे I want this has to be solved in a notebook. कहाँ पे करना है?
नोटबुक में करना है.
Notebook.
नोटबुक में एंड प्रॉपर डिवीजन के साथ 9, 4, 2, 3 डिवाइड बाय 73 करना पड़ेगा, जो मैंने डिवीजन सिखाया, राइट?
Yes.
You have to estimate and you have to see whether it is divisible or not divisible. Correct? Actual division करके दिखाना पड़ेगा मेरे को, right? And I'll check this. Okay. 86 is a factor of 17820, right? Now ऐसे अपने को नहीं करना है, so don't do this as of now, right? Just leave this 13 question. I will explain you later on. Is it clear? Till
Yes.
12 you can do, 12 you have to finish. Now multiple here. Can you see the sequence?
Sir, it's too easy.
वेरी गुड. चलो तो सीक्वेंस में यहाँ पे तुमको पता है कैसे करेगा, राइट? मल्टीपल दिखाया, ठीक है. यहाँ पे देव सीन अगेन द डिवीजन अपने को करना है, वो नहीं करना, राइट? यहाँ पे प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ दिस थिंग सेम वे व्हाट वी डन द फैक्टर्स, इट इज द सेम दिस थिंग. रीड इट इफ यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. दिस इज आई टोल्ड यू, राइट? 20 का मैंने बताया था कैसे डॉट 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 करके इट इज गोइंग अहेड, राइट? 1 is a factor of each every number, non-zero multiple of itself, correct? So 6 is the lowest multiple. The number itself is the lowest multiple of it, and highest is you can find. 0 is the multiple of any non-zero number. This is also wrong. 0 does not come into factor of multiple. Every multiple of non-zero number either greater or equal to this is also I told you. First multiple of number is number itself. That is what I told you, right? Okay. Now common multiple इसको अभी नहीं करना है. Leave this apart. Here 72 is the multiple of 12.
Yes.
Yes or no? Check करो, right? यहाँ पे कर सकते हो except 9. You have to do all of this. Clear? So exercise 19, exercise 20. Prime number and composite number I already gave you, right? You have to learn this table. I'm going to do it orally next time. What are the numbers? All these are 1 to 100. नीचे यहाँ पे देखो लिख के भी दिया है. This is what you have to learn also. And I want it has to go in a order. Correct? 21. The smallest prime number आ जाएगा.
Yes.
Write all the prime number less than 40. ये exercise करोगे तो अपने आप आ जाएगा. Prime factorization we have done already.
Yes.
Correct? So यहाँ पे देखो prime factorization. I've done this. I've done in a table manner, right? And this is also the same way, right? So what you do? 36, 2, 18, 2, 9, 3, and 3. Correct? So you get 1, 2, 3, and 3. Here also get 2, 2, 3, and 3. Is it clear? Either do this way or this way, I am okay. I find more comfortable this way, so I am doing this way, right?
Yes.
Now यहाँ पे ये factor tree है. If they ask you to do factor tree, you have to do this way. Correct? If they ask you to do by the factor tree, you have to do this way. You cannot do another method, right?
So, but
क्या लिखा है? Building a factor tree. Correct? Test of divisibility we have already done. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So 20, 19, 20, 21, 20. All are 5-5 minute exercise. All are 5-minute exercise. Correct? Divisibility test we already done. Now here, 5 the divisibility 2, 3. You just have to write yes or no. Is it clear?
yes, easy.
Done. काफी रह गया अभी क्या? LCM and SCF. Correct?
हाँ,
So don't do LCM and SCF right now. I will teach you LCM and SCF next time. Whatever doubts you may have in this, whatever you not understood, clearly write in the group with the photograph, sir, exercise number this. Click the full photograph, send me the vertical photograph, and send me the answer, send me the question. Is it clear?
clear Rushit's doubt.
Yes, बोल रुशित.
सर मैंने कोई वीडियो ग्रुप पे डाउट भेजा था, वो क्लियर कर सकते हो?
हाँ, वेरी गुड. यस, मैं पहले वही सॉल्व करने वाला था. चलो मैं सॉल्व करता हूँ अभी डाउट. राइट, देखो दिस इज वेरी गुड. देखो उसे डाउट भी भेजा. आई वॉज अबाउट टू सॉल्व पहले, लेकिन तुम्हारा किसी का बात आ गया तो देन आई स्टार्टेड. राइट, चलो क्या लिखा है? द नंबर 576 is divisible by 9 as the total of the all digit of multiple of 9. Right? Using the rule, write down all the numbers which are divisible by 9 between 150 and 200. क्या प्रॉब्लम है इसमें?
I did not I got this question wrong.
वेरी गुड. रॉन्ग क्यों आया बेटा? 150 आएगा नहीं आएगा? राइट, 152, 151, 152, 153, 154 कौन सा आएगा? 153 आएगा. राइट, क्या आएगा? 1 + 5 + 3 9 हो गया. अब इसमें क्या था? सिंपल है. इसके बाद 9 ऐड करते जाओ. सिंपल है. जस्ट कीप ऑन एडिंग 9 to it. क्या हो जाएगा? 162. 1 + 6 + 2 = 9. Then add 9. 171. Then 9. 180. Then 9. 189. Then 9. क्या होगा? 198. इसका टोटल करो. हो गया 200 में. करेक्ट. 1 + 7 + 1 = 9. उससे क्या वर्किंग दिखाओ. राइट, दैट इज व्हाई आई एम शोइंग द वर्किंग ऑल्सो. राइट, यहाँ पे 1 + 8 + 9 = 18. 1 + 9 + 8 = 18. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
समझ में आ गया?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
परफेक्ट.
Perfect.
हो गया सॉल्व. इसमें क्या नहीं आने जैसा बेटा? एक नंबर तेरे को ढूंढना पड़ेगा जो 9 से डिविजिबल है. उसका सीधे सीधे 9 ऐड करो. दिमाग लगाओ. करेक्ट,
Sir.
because multiplication is repeated addition of the
Same number.
Same
same
number.
number. Correct. So you have to
Sir.
finish. You have to finish all the chapter 6 before next class. What I'm doing? You have to finish all chapter 6 by next class, and I'm going to teach next time पे triangle, lines and angles, right?
Sir.
With the SCF and LCM, we'll finish the LCM, LCM. I'll teach you how to find the LCM and SCF, and we'll start with the
Lines, angles, shapes,
Sides
and
and
lines and angles.
angles.
Correct? Okay, तेरा ऋषि दे ना lines and angles.
Sir.
I am writing it in my this thing, so I don't start anything which is related to not prime factor concept, right?
Sir.
Okay.
Rasya has a question.
1 minute, beta. Lines. Okay, and you have to write this before the next class. What doubts you have? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes. Sir, Rasya has a
If you don't write anything in the group, please make sure that I will not take it in the class. Correct? Chalo. Yes, Russia, tell me.
Sir, can we see each other now?
Okay, chalo. Any 1 minute. Anybody has any doubt?
Sir, me.
हाँ बोल बेटी.
Sir, in factor tree, how do we have to write it?
फैक्टर 3 नंबर लिखो उसके बाद डिवाइड करते जाओ.
No,
Right.
in book it is given another, and you
Yes.
taught another.
नहीं वो अरे मैंने एक ट्राई ऐसे ऊपर नीचे लिखा था, उसने खाली ऊपर ऊपर जो डिवाइड होता है ना टाइम नंबर आते जाएगा, वो कुछ फर्क नहीं. देयर इज नो डिफरेंस बेटा.
ठीक है, समझ आ गया.
ठीक है. फैक्टर ट्री उसे कैसे दिखाया देखो बेटा, हाउ दे हैव शोन. ओके. उसे क्या किया 36 1 आ गया. मैं क्या करता हूँ, राइट, व्हाट आई राइट 36 ऊपर लिखता हूँ, फिर 136 लिखता हूँ, फिर यहाँ पे इसको ही करूंगा मैं तो आएगा 2 और 18. मेरा भी दूसरा 2 और 18 ही आता ना, राइट. मेरे 2 और 18 ही आएगा, राइट. खाली थोड़ा सा शिफ्ट करके लिखता है, दैट्स इट. करेक्ट.
अच्छा,
और फिर
तो
वो 18
कोई
को फिर वो 18 को फैक्टराइज करता है, राइट. तुमको इसमें प्राइम फैक्टर चाहिए ना बेटा, यहाँ पे क्या है प्राइम फैक्टर चाहिए, राइट. मैंने फैक्टर ट्री नहीं बताया, मैंने ये बताया था ना 36 डिवाइड बाई 2, राइट. So I
यस.
do this way because I get 18. फिर 18 को ही डिवाइड करता हूँ 2 and 9, फिर 3 and 3 and 3 and 3, right? 3 and 1, right? So I get in a single line. यहाँ पे क्या कर रहा है 36, फिर 18 आया, फिर 18 को किया वापस 2 से डिवाइड किया तो 9 आया, 9 को फिर 3 से डिवाइड किया तो 3 and 3 आया, हो गया. इट इज अ
ओके.
डिफरेंट वे टू राइट. ओके ना. ठीक है. चलो, एनीबडी एल्स हैज डाउट?
नो सर.
No,
Yes.
sir.
हाँ बोल मनिया, बोल बेटा. तेरा हेडफोन कहाँ गया?
Sir,
नहीं हो रहा है
my
सर.
mother wants to talk to you after class.
हाँ ओके मैम, ओके.
मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन मेरे मम्मी ने डाउट्स भेजा था, वो आप सॉल्व
हाँ
करो क्या?
कभी भेजा बेटा, कहाँ भेजा?
व्हाट्सएप पे.
कहाँ व्हाट्सएप पे? तो हाँ ओके ओके ओके. क्या डाउट है बेटा तेरा?
सर क्वेश्चन बैंक 2 में मुझे 8 क्वेश्चन नहीं आ रहा है.
ओके, क्वेश्चन बैंक 2. एक मिनट, मैं पहले तेरे को यहाँ पे डाउट ओपन करता हूँ. ठीक है ना, फोटो थोड़ा ना बड़ा क्लियर भेजा करो. ठीक है
Factors one more time.
बेटा, नेक्स्ट टाइम अभी फैक्टर में, राइट. लेट मी टेक बिकॉज वी आर ऑलरेडी रन ओवर रन बाई 20 minutes द क्लास. ठीक है बेटा, फैक्टर में रीड करो क्वेश्चन, यू हैव बुक. ओके, रीड एंड आई हैव एक्चुअली एक्सप्लेन 4 times, राइट. सो रीड एंड प्रैक्टिस. अनलेस यू प्रैक्टिस यू विल नॉट नो. हाँ, इसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम है बेटा?
सर 8th क्वेश्चन मुझे समझ नहीं
बेटा
आया.
यहाँ पे तो तुमने ये लिखा है क्वेश्चन बैंक क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. 8 क्वेश्चन में क्या है? व्हाट इज द लीस्ट नंबर दैट शुड बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम दिस टू मेक अ डिविजिबल बाय 48? यस. तो क्या प्रॉब्लम है? इसको 48 से डिवाइड करके देखो बेटा. 1 8 4 4 8 डिवाइड बाय 48 कर दो, जो भी रिमाइंडर आएगा दैट इज आंसर. When you subtract this, you will get a remainder is 0, right?
Yes sir.
Suppose if I give you a very small example, suppose if I say 49, what number should be subtracted from this to make it divisible by 5? Correct? So what do you get? 5 9s are 45. So you subtract 4. So when you divide 49 minus 4, you get a 45, which is divisible by 5, right?
Yes sir.
Understood?
Yes sir.
Clear? So you do division. बेटा और यहाँ नहीं लिख सकते तुम, उसको वर्किंग करके दिखाना पड़ेगा, राइट.
Yes sir.
दिस यू कैन नॉट राइट. सिर्फ यहाँ पे 36 डिवाइड बाई ये 18, राइट. ये देखो, ये कर सकते हो यहाँ पे, बट हाँ ये तो कर सकते हो ओरली. ठीक है. या अ ट्रैवल रुपीज 86,886 इज अ एयर फेयर ऑफ 18 सीट्स. व्हाट विल द, तुमने क्या किया, डिवाइड किया, राइट.
Yes sir.
करेक्ट है ना.
Yes sir.
ये गलत है, लेकिन क्वेश्चन डिवीजन किधर दिखाया है?
Sir,
Now this answer is wrong, right? This answer is wrong, right? करेक्ट है. रिमाइंडर कैसा है 144 तेरा? How did you get the remainder is 144? I want to see that. Remainder 0 आना चाहिए, right? It has to be perfectly divisible by this, right? ये आंसर करेक्ट है, लेकिन रिमाइंडर कहाँ से है? कुछ तो गड़बड़ किया है तूने, राइट? ठीक है. So I want all this to be as a put it as a working, right? I'm going to check very neatly, very closely this, right? So make sure that all the word problem has to be solved in the notebook, correct?
Yes.
And you have to, along with this, you have to write bag 1, bag 2, exercise 17, exercise 20, question number this and question number this, right?
Sir,
Yes, beta.
sorry doubt.
Sorry?
Question back to first question के fill in the blanks.
एक मिनट यहाँ पे भी है, राइट? एक मिनट. Question of 1M, DEF, 2DF. 1M क्या है? The three numbers whose product is equal to the sum of sum. हाँ, right. Product is, see क्या लिखा है? Three numbers. उसका product और same होना चाहिए ना? This is called as perfect number, right? Perfect square इसको बोलते हैं, right? This is called as perfect number. Now perfect number says is 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. उसका क्या होगा? 1 into 2 into 3 is also become 6, right? समझ में आया? Three numbers whose product is equal to their sum. इसका product क्या होएगा? और इसका sum क्या होएगा? Sum is 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. 1 plus 2 plus 1 into 2 into 3 is also 6, right? There are only few numbers which are such numbers, right? Clear? और secondly
Yes.
दूसरा क्या है? Question 2 का the product is always greater than the both multiplying and multiplier. क्या है? State whether the following is true or not. False. The product is always greater than the both multiplicand and multiplier. Yes or no?
Yes.
पक्का? Answer is no. Yes. The product क्या है? 1 into 1 कितना होता है? 1. ग्रेटर है क्या? 1 से ग्रेटर है 1. 1 2 जा 2. 2 1 से तो ग्रेटर है. 2 से ग्रेटर है क्या? नहीं है ना? Right? So answer is no. It is not always. अगर इसमें greater than or equal to बोला होता तो ट्रू होता, राइट? लेकिन ग्रेटर नहीं हो सकता है, करेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. बट यू चेक 3 into 5. अच्छा यहाँ पे लिख दोगे यस, करेक्ट. 1 से चेक ही नहीं करोगे, करेक्ट. द मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ नंबर बाय 10 इंक्रीज द प्लेस वैल्यू बाय 10 टाइम्स. यस ऑब्वियसली. इसका प्लेस वैल्यू क्या है? 3 है. इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर 10 करो, क्या आता है? 30. प्लेस वैल्यू 10 टाइम्स हो गया, because 10's place is 10 times of 1's place. 100 place is 10 times of 10's place, right?
Yes.
1000 place is 10 times of 100 place, right? ये तो मैंने बताया था ना. एक नंबर जाने के लिए what you need to do? You need to keep on multiplying by 10, and if you want to go down, you have to keep on dividing by 10, correct?
Yes.
We divide the divisor by dividend. True or false? What we divide? Dividend or divisor?
Divisor.
Dividend we divide. We do dividend divided by divisor, right? We say 16 divided by 4. We don't say 4 divided by 16, correct?
Yes, sir.
So it is wrong. False, right? That is why I say you should know what are divisor, what is dividend, what is quotient, and what is remainder. Clear?
Yes.
So all clear?
Yes. Yes. Yes, sir.
Hello, solved. And this is also solved. Yes, beta.
Even multiplication of a number
by 10 increases the place value.
Beta, your voice is very slow, beta. I can't hear you.
Sir,
Huh?
the second one, E, multiplication of a number by 10 increases the place value of a digit 10 times.
Hmm.
I didn't understand that.
Very good. अब बताओ, मैंने एक एग्जांपल लिया, करेक्ट? अब क्या हो गया? 3 वंस प्लेस पे है,
Yes, sir.
इसको मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 करूंगा तो क्या आएगा?
30.
30 आएगा,
Yes, sir.
करेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
सो प्लेस वैल्यू क्या हो गया? वंस प्लेस पे, राइट? अब वो कहां पे चला गया? 3 टेंस प्लेस पे चला गया, राइट?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
10 टाइम्स हो गया ना? अगर यहां से वापस उसको 30 को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेगी तो क्या आएगा? 300, विच गोज यू 100 टाइम्स, विच इज 10 इंटू 10 टाइम्स हो गया 100.
Yes.
तो 10 टाइम्स बढ़ रहा है ना बेटा,
Yes, sir.
करेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
समझ आया? प्लेस वैल्यू तुम्हारा 10 टाइम्स इंक्रीज हो रहा है ना बेटा?
Yes, sir.
इज इट क्लियर एवरीवन?
Yes, sir.
डन? डाउट्स क्लियर? शैल आई स्टॉप द रिकॉर्डिंग?
Yes.
Okay.